Welcome back to another video. In this quick and short video, I am just going to talk about something that I believe is very important for us as traders, even as a business person, even as a working person, whatever that you are doing as a trader, whether you are working, whether you are running a business, whatever that you are doing, you need to understand how your money is working for you, how you are using your money. And in this video, I'm just going to quickly share with you my way of understanding my finances, how I basically do it, and hopefully you can learn one or two things from this video. I'm not saying do it as I do it, I'm just giving you an idea. Maybe from this video you can then go ahead and you find your own way of managing your own finances. It's very important that you be able to manage your finances. Otherwise, all the effort that you are doing in making money, in trading, in business, working 9 to 5, is all not going to work out in the end if you don't understand where you are financially, what you are doing with your finances. Especially as traders, we tend to just take the money and we go and spend it with friends, we go and blow it in the club, we go and do all the other things. At the end of the day, you are left with really nothing tangible that you can say that I did this with the money that I made from my trading. So it's a good idea that you track your expenses, you track your income, so that you understand what's working and what's not, what to avoid, what not to avoid. So on my screen here, I'm just going to quickly show you a simple app that I actually use for managing my finances. It's right here. It's called My Wallet. This app, it's called My Wallet. So if you tap onto it, it's actually free. It's free on a Play Store, but if you want, I think they actually have a paid version where you can remove adverts. So it's not showing adverts at the moment because I've basically disabled a data connection to the internet, so it's not showing adverts. But you can use the free version as well. Basic stuff. You don't need any complex manual to use this app really. So you can see here settings. You can set up your password there. You can set up basically all the stuff that you just need to set up, including the currency that you are going to be using. That's one of the good points I will make about this app is you find that most of the apps that you find out there that manage finances, usually they only use pound, dollar, and all those other famous currencies. But really, you cannot find an app that uses South African rand or most of the other currencies. So that's a plus for me with this application. By the way, I am not in any way endorsing or promoting this app. I don't even know the person behind it. I'm just giving you a tool that I found to really work. So if we go back now, this is basically the user interface. So basically here, because I actually have this app on my other phone, I was not going to show you what's in my bank account and stuff like that. In any case, so for this video, I basically just installed it on my other phone. So here where it says account, that's where you actually find the total amount that's in your accounts. So it would appear there, and here you would get a summary of all the income that came in, maybe for the month. If we just go back, you can go even by date, or you can go by category. And here you have your expenses. You list you have your expenses by date. You see that by month. So this is October 2022, that's November 2022, and stuff like that. And you can basically just go in and add in your expenses, the expenses that you actually incurred during that month, and it will help you to calculate everything so that you understand the money that came in, what you spend, and how you spend it, because here you actually can get reports. You can actually get reports, expenses versus income, and you can also, based on expense and income categories, you can actually understand which categories, like which things, activities that you do actually are taking more of your money, and which efforts and activities are actually bringing you more money than the rest. Let's say you're going to work, you have got a side hustle on the side, you have another side hustle on the side, and all the things that you are doing to try to make a bag. So you can basically understand which stuff is working for you, and you can basically concentrate on that. In terms of expenses, if you can basically track maybe your fuel, how much money you are spending on fuel a month. You can basically track how much money you are spending eating out per month. And if things are not okay, then you can basically start cutting down from those things, because you basically have a picture of your finances and how you are spending your money. So it's a free app that I believe anybody can basically use, and it's very convenient. At least for me. Maybe some people will not find it convenient, but I'm just giving you an idea. You just need to find an app like this and basically understand your finances. You need to understand how you are managing your finances, especially when you are making money. Let's face it, even as traders, there are going to be winning streaks. And then there's going to be a period where you are probably just going to be losing money in the market. So you need to understand your finances. You need to save your money. You need to invest it wisely. You need to put it away for a rainy day and things like that. So this is one way of managing finances, and it has been working for me. This guy usually does that with his motorbike when I'm making videos. I don't know if you've noticed around about this time, but in any case, so I thought let me just make this video because it's something that I'm passionate about. If you are making money in trading, it doesn't mean that you just need to go out there and blow your money. Make sure that you are managing your finances, manage your money. That's where the secret is. Anybody can make money. Anybody, if they really put in the effort, if they really put in their mind to it, they can make money. But what separates people who eventually become wealthy and people who still remain poor is where it comes to managing finances. That's where the difference is. Okay, subscribe, like the video if it's of any help to you. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.